Hey everyone, Casio has introduced a new leather band variant, the AE-1200WH-5AV, to its renowned AE-1200WH collection. Known for its durability, functionality, and iconic design, the AE-1200WH series is a favorite among watch enthusiasts. With this new addition, Casio has refined the look of the popular model while retaining its essential features, offering a sophisticated option for those seeking both style and reliability in a budget-friendly watch. At the heart of the AE-1200WH-5AV are the beloved features that have made the series popular. It continues to boast 100-meter water resistance, a key factor for its versatility, and an impressive battery life of approximately 10 years. The watch's signature display, which shows the home time in all modes, also remains, complete with a globe map indicator that adds a unique, adventurous touch to its aesthetic. What sets the new Casio apart from its predecessors is the addition of a leather band, offering a more upscale and refined appearance compared to the resin and stainless steel variants. Despite this upgrade, the watch retains the same lightweight feel, weighing in at around 39 grams, making it as comfortable and practical for everyday wear as the original. Casio has given the new Casio a refreshed display with updated labeling. While the core design remains intact, subtle tweaks enhance its modernity. The labels for alarm, WR, and chrono have been moved below the LCD screen, and the 10-year battery label has shifted to a spot behind the hand's subdial. These changes provide a cleaner, more organized face for improved readability and aesthetics. All of these features are packed into a lightweight and compact watch, making it a versatile and functional timepiece for both casual and active wear. The Casio AE-1200WH-5AV is set to launch in October 2024 in Asia, with an expected retail price of $65 in Singapore. While pricing for other international markets has not yet been confirmed, the affordability of the watch, paired with its enhanced design and robust feature set, is sure to attract attention globally. The new Casio has seamlessly blended sophistication with practicality, offering a leather band variant that elevates the look of the already beloved AE-1200WH series. Retaining its essential features such as water resistance, long battery life, and world-time functionality, while adding a touch of elegance, this new model is a perfect choice for those who value both style and substance in their everyday timepieces. Whether for daily wear or as a reliable travel companion, Casio promises to be a standout option in Casio's 2024 lineup. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I will leave them in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.